As the amount of data in the world increases, the need for data programming and management is increasing. Billion-dollar companies pay data programmers hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. You can join the qualified people in the field of data programming by following the T-SQL training we have prepared without skipping. SQL is the data query language commonly used in relational databases. It was developed by IBM engineers in 1970. As the data grew, it was not enough to simply query these data. Now the concept of data programming had begun to spread. The data was first transferred to a programming language such as Python, C, C++, and then programming was done using the features of the language. The data continued to grow. Now, transferring billions of data from the database to platforms such as Python, C, C++ has become a problem. Both security concerns and the idea of processing data in a database have become quite common. Now database management systems have started to create their own languages. Oracle developed PL/SQL as the database programming language. Microsoft SQL Server is TSQL. Likewise, other database management systems continued to develop their own languages. Using TSQL you can do almost anything that can be done in any programming language. We can do all operations such as defining variable, assigning value to variable, loops, conditional blocks, reading and writing files, connecting to web services with TSQL. TSQL is a language that everyone who wants to continue their career with data-related professions such as data scientist, data analyst, data engineer, database administrator should learn after SQL. Before starting the training, I would like to tell you how the TSQL language is used in business life. Let's say we are developing an e-commerce application. Every project developed within the application must be tested before the real user can use it. For the test, real or near-real data is needed. If we test the project with millions of data, our chances of seeing errors increase considerably. We can easily create realistic data sets using TSQL. We will do many examples of this in training. Using TSQL we can connect to Google Web Service and translate a text into any language we want. We can make map applications by connecting to the Google Maps web service. We can design a program that will save all tweets posted by Twitter accounts to the database. We can easily read and write files using TSQL. By following this tutorial, you can fully learn TSQL with real-life examples. When you complete your education, you can be sure that you will join the people with qualifications in the field of data programming. So let's start.